Hey everyone, this is part 9 of our photo gallery tutorial in Laravel framework. In the last video, as you guys remember, we worked on how to update our photos. And in this video, as I promised, we will work on how to delete our photos. And beside that, we will also work on our galleries delete function, because if you want to delete a gallery, we also want to delete all the photos within it. Before we start, I want to say, guys, that if any one of you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's start. We have to log into our system. To start coding our delete function for our photos, we have to go to our gallery and our photo show. As you can see, we already have created our link for the delete photo. And if we jump to code, the link is located in resources, views, our galleries, photos, and our photo show blade. As you can see at the top, this is our delete link. We didn't declare our route, so let's create the route first. For that, we can say double brackets, route, and the route name should be photo delete. We also want to pass the ID, which is $photo arrow ID. Now let's create our route in our routes file, which is under routes web.php. And after our photo update, we can say route : get. And we want our galleries, photos / delete URL. And we also want our ID. And we want this URL to go to our gallery controller and our photo delete method. And the name should be, for this route, photo delete. So let's create this photo delete method in our controller. And for that, we have to go to app http controllers gallery controller. And after our photo update method, at the bottom we can say public function photo delete, and we want our photo ID. Okay, first of all, we need to grab the photo information from the database, and we want to store it in a variable called photo equals to our photo model : find our ID. After grabbing the photo details from the database, first of all, before deleting the photo permanently from the database, first we need to delete it from the folder. And for that, first we need our photo name. We want to store it in a variable called photo name equals to our photo variable arrow photo field. After that, we want to unlink our photo from the folder. So for that, we can say unlink public _path, and the path is galleries folder, photos folder / then our photo name _name. Okay, after unlinking it from the folder, now we want to delete the photo information from the database, and for that we can say photo arrow delete terminate. That's all. And after deleting the photo from the database, now we want to return our redirect route, and the route should be, we want to redirect to that specific gallery show. So for that, we have to say gallery show, and we also want our gallery ID, gallery _ID. as you guys noticed, this gallery, we defined this gallery ID in here, but we don't have it. So let's grab the gallery ID also. Before deleting our photo, we can get our gallery underscore ID variable equals to our photo arrow gallery underscore ID. What we did in here is that before deleting, as you can see, this is our delete for photo. Before deleting the photo from the database, first we grab the gallery ID from it and we store it in a variable called gallery ID, because we want to use it after the delete to redirect to that specific gallery show. So let's try our code. If I refresh and I want to delete this photo, as you can see, it redirected us back to that specific gallery and the photo has been deleted. Let's upload another photo in here. Let me choose a photo. We want this balloons, and in description we can say this is click upload photo. So if we try to delete this gallery, we also want now to delete this photo within it, and for that we have to work on our gallery delete functionality at the top. Before deleting our gallery, let's create a variable called photos equals to our photo model, and we want a where clause gallery ID underscore ID equals to the ID that is coming in the URL. This is our gallery ID, and we want to match it to the gallery ID stored in our photos table. So we want to grab all those photos which is related to this gallery. So for that we have to also say get. After getting the photos, now we want to loop for each photo, because we want to delete each photo. So for that we have to loop for them, and we can say for each photos as photo, our brackets, and inside our for each loop we can say our photo underscore name equals to our photo arrow photo, and we want to unlink it from our public path, public underscore path, and the path is our galleries folder, our photos folder, and then we want our photo name, photo underscore name. Okay, after unlinking each of the photos from the our public path and outside of our for each loop, now we want to delete all the photos from the database, and the best way to do that is to use Laravel query builder. So before using Laravel query builder, we have to import it at the top. So for that we can say use db, and now we have access to that db collection. So we can say db column what table we want our photos table, and we also want a where clause, and inside our where clause we want to match our gallery underscore ID to the ID that is coming through the URL, and last we want to say delete. So guys, I think that's all for deleting the photos within our gallery. Let's try our code. If I refresh the page, and now I want to delete this gallery permanently. So if I click on delete gallery. As you can see, the gallery has been deleted. Now let's check our database for the photos, if it really deleted our photos or not. If we go to our gallery database, now our photos table, as you can see, we don't have any photos left, so it means our code is working fine. As you guys remember, in the last video I said that I will talk for the next functionalities that we will include in our project in the next video. So this is the video that I will tell you guys that what will be next in our project. So the next thing that I will show you guys is how to add toast messages to our project. For example, if we want to say to the user that your gallery has been created successfully or something like that. But guys, before I finish this video, I want to say again that if any one of you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to not miss the updates. So this was all for this video. See you guys in the next video. For now, bye.